The poor in spirit, those who understand their depravity in spirit, who understand their sinful nature and how they cannot save themselves from that. The good news is that Jesus has come to cover us, to cover those who are poor in spirit, who recognize their sinful nature. He covers that. He justifies us first by us believing he was raised from the dead and professing that he is the Christ. And belief means it like literally changes your life. That's what real belief is, by the way, you guys. But people who believe on him who died on the cross to save us from our sins, they are justified. They are initially covered by his blood. And then we go into a sanctification process where God's Spirit within us continues to make us look more and more like Christ as we walk through this life. Our only requirement in that process is to participate when the Lord calls you, to participate when he tells you to put something down, just to obey him.